Aftershock rocks Anchorage area on New Year's Eve. A 5.0 magnitude earthquake hit south-central Alaska just after 6 p.m. An aftershock from Alaska's the 30th of November earthquake rocked south-central Alaska Monday evening. It's the strongest aftershock in weeks, with a reviewed magnitude of 5.0, according to the Alaska Earthquake Center. The aftershock, which occurred at 6:03 p.m., was centered 6 miles north of Anchorage and 27 miles deep, the Earthquake Center said. Officials say that the quake was the largest shaker since the 7.0 magnitude struck the 30th of November. A tsunami is not expected, said a tweet from the National Tsunami Warning Center. There have been thousands of aftershocks recorded since the 7.0 magnitude quake struck on the 30th of November. Monday's aftershock was the strongest one since the night of the 30th of November, the Earthquake Center said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.